Good morning, friends.
We got a late start.
We were supposed to wake up early, but I took some medicine and it knocked me out.
We've determined that the mountains and the trees are trying to kill Marie-Jose. Because every time we go on a hike, her sinuses, allergies, everything are just totally destroyed.
Yeah, so I'm not feeling my best today, but we are planning on heading somewhere else today.
Yeah. We don't have any particular place in mind, but we're just trying to head east because we're hoping the further we get out of the mountains, the less her sinuses and allergies are going to be kicked up, and the temperature will be a little bit warmer. We've had highs in the low 40s and lows in the very low 20s since we've been here in Asheville, and that's not what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to get to warmer weather.
It's quite sunny today.
Yes.
And the sun feels amazing. So let's just get on the road and figure out where we're going along the way.
Yeah, we'll find somewhere.
Come on.
Hey kiddos!
Hello! It's so good to see you guys!
Good to see you all!
We have made it to Raleigh, which is the capital of North Carolina. And we were looking for a place to spend the night. And there's a couple in Overlander, but then we remember we have some friends here that actually are converting a school bus, and they offer their driveway for us to park and spend the night.
Some of you may know them already. If you don't, well, we're about to introduce you to them. They're building a bus named Honey. And Honey is a very, very unique creation. We love it. We love the color of it. They're painting this awesome mural on the back, but it's time that we introduce you to Scott and Ashley of the Hive Drive bus. You can find them linked in the description. They're on YouTube as well as on Instagram, documenting their entire build series.
What's up, guys? We are Scott and Ashley, or Ashley and Scott, from the Hive Drive bus, and we are so excited to hang out with Marie-Jose and Chase this day, this week,
evening,
tonight.
So we was actually just telling our people that Marie and Jose and Chase, they were like some of the first people that inspired us to do Buslife. These guys are the bus that we saw, and we're like,
it's 100% true.
This is what a bus could look like. So thank you guys.
And it's the bus that we showed to everyone to convince them, like, look, we're not crazy. You can do this.
Guys! What? All right, show us your bus.
Okay,
yes.
You ready?
Let's go. You guys have a trampoline?
We just got it.
Do you want to break an arm while we're here?
Okay, yeah, so it is really a construction zone right now. So
This reminds me, it smells like our bus in construction.
So,
Wow!
Oh, holy smokes, no, let's look at this.
Space they have!
So, the one thing I'm noticing is that you guys have about 2.5 times more space than we do.
You know,
Yes,
maybe.
just a little bit more.
And this would be a perfect spot for a toilet.
Right?
With a view.
Just so you can speak from experience that, like, yeah, I don't need it. Also, yeah.
Buen provecho, guys.
Oh, buen provecho. Wait.
yeah.
Buen provecho.
Provecho.
Good morning, all you beautiful faces. Let me clean this a little bit. We slept fantastic at the Hive Drive driveway. And today we're having a proper cup of tea. Scott has kindly offered to show us why English tea is better, and that is an offer we cannot refuse. I know you likely didn't get a good view of Honey yesterday, so let's show you really quickly in her current state. Hey Bubba, what are you doing, Tank?
Now you just gotta say, put kettle on low.
Put kettle on low.
He's
No.
good. He's
Your
really
Yorkshire accent's better than mine.
It's better than
And I've been
mine.
working on it for 8 years. That's better than yours.
Put kettle on love. Are you all as ready for a proper cuppa as I am? I'm ready. Tank, are you ready? Have you ever had a proper cuppa?
So this is the tea. As you can see, it's England's #1 team.
So we have the kettle going.
We got the little tea bags.
Okay. A proper cuppa ends up being the color of He-Man.
Is it ready? Did you try it, Chase?
I haven't tried it yet. I'm waiting on you. Okay, you ready?
Oh, that tastes like
very
that.
Good.
That
It's almost
tastes
like
very
a
good.
coffee.
Right?
Yeah.
I feel like it's a less bitter coffee.
More
Yeah.
smooth, right? Like a
Yeah.
smoother drink.
Proper cuppa.
I have been here in the van for a while by myself. I've been editing and I haven't seen anybody, so let's check out what they're doing.
Hi, friend.
Hey!
How you doing? Look at our cone head.
Oh, baby!
Your biggest fan right here.
I know. I'm his biggest fan. Hi, baby!
I've been working on the mural and painting a little bit of that today, and then the guys are working on the wiring right now.
Oh,
So that's fun. It's like a rainbow, beautiful electrical mess in there.
Hey!
Hey, what's up, beautiful?
What are you doing?
We're playing with spaghetti.
It's just one cable.
Just that.
Just that. It took us only an hour to do this.
Just one cable. Well, but look at all that.
Got a couple more to go.
Yeah, you just have a tiny little bit more to go.
So I've got to finish like these little white pocket spots that you see, and then put a second coat on some of them. And then we're writing a surprise message here, actually, overlaying it.
Oh, have fun.
So, and we're gonna hide a little bumblebee in there, so it'll be fun.
Cute.
Jake, do you want to come on the trampoline with me? Bubba! Yeah, look at him, he's so skeptical.
We're ready to head to Durham, which is just like 30 minutes from here. We're about to meet Syndey. She's building a van as well, and we have some company in the van. Let's see who it is. We came to this beautiful coffee shop and met Syndey, which I talked about her a little bit before. She's building her van. I want her to introduce herself to you.
Hi guys, I'm Syndey. I am in your shoes not too long ago of watching their videos, and I'm so excited to meet them in person. My handle is Syndey Van Go, and I'm just so excited to meet Maria, Jose, and Chase. They've been so nice to show me their van, and I'm actually like stealing their Murphy bed designs. So I picked up their PDF and was able to like completely steal their design and customize it a little bit for us. So hopefully you guys will at some point be able to see my videos about my bed, and just really nice to say hi to you all.
Can't wait to meet you on the road and actually like hang out, like traveling together. Guess
Hello.
what? We finally made it back to their house, and well, we had to go for a second round of Indian food. Yeah, we had a different order today, and it looks equally as amazing as yesterday. I'm afraid it's gonna be better.
The chana is better. The level 6 spice in the chana is so much more robust and flavorful.
Come on with the descriptives.
If you are within 6 hours of Raleigh, Taj Mahal Indian restaurant,
Words up.
put it on the map.
Good morning, friends. Well, we have been like all over the place. Yesterday we went to downtown Raleigh with some locals. So we went for some dinner, which was amazing. And this morning we're having some brunch here in the van with some, of course, Scott's tea. That's gonna be our thing now. We need to learn how to make it and then have like a bottle of tea.
Yes, we do.
Yes. Yeah, we will kick their ass. And then I made some avocado toast for us, except for Ashley. She said she didn't want to try my avocado toast.
Not true.
Not kidding. She's gluten free, so she cannot have it. I'm giving her like an avocado slice.
Pablo just tried to eat a spicy fly, otherwise known as yellow jacket. We just filmed another van tour with them that you can see on their channel, but in our van tour we realized that we didn't show you guys the storage underneath our sofas. And if you're curious on what that looks like and the mad mess that we've got, we just need to head over to Scott and Ashley's channel, the Hive Drive Bus, and see their van tour. Well, our van tour that they filmed, edited, and directed on their channel.
And produced.
Come on over, guys. Come join in the fun.
Aww. Like, truthfully, like, first of all, how to get to my heart, be a good friend, but second and most important, through food.
There we go.
My girl.
Like, what? Like, we're about to leave and they freaking surprised us. Like, I was freaking out because they're like, close your eyes.
Yeah, she's like, I don't like
I'm like,
this.
no. And then they bring all these.
Aww. Oh, we've loved seeing you guys.
And feeding us and watering us.
I know, and like letting us use your bathroom.
Oh, of
Yeah.
course, anytime.
Just leave us a Yelp review on Hotel Del Hive. And,
The thing that they don't know is we already put an eye over Lander. Our plan, friends, is to head to Outer Banks. It's gonna be our first time together or ever in Outer Banks. And Ashley and Scott gave us some tips of where we should stop, what we should check out on our way there. The only thing is, there's not a lot of places for us to stay. Fingers crossed that we have a place to stay on our Harvest host. There's, I think, only 2 close to Outer Banks, and of course, like everything, we waited until the last minute to call. I don't know what to do. Should I call the other place? Sunday they're open until 2:30, so
We'll just figure it out. We'll just head that way. Change of plans, right?
well, let me give you a little update. Since there are not a lot of places to park for free, which is what we normally would prefer to do, and because Harvest host didn't answer their phone and we're already on our way,
We've decided to find a campground. I guess it's kind of in a state or national park. It was very inexpensive yet again. And we'll have a full hookup site there, which is pretty neat. We won't use it like that, but it's just nice to know that we have it.
we reserved for tomorrow because it's kind of late already today, and we do want to stop in the dunes to check them out. So maybe tonight we sleep in a Walmart or in a rest stop, or so I need to do some research on that, and we can stay somewhere tonight. We have made it to Cracker Barrel. I'm super tired and it's very, very dark.
It was
here.
like 5:15 and we're heading toward the coast. We had our lights on, and then when cars weren't around, I was already starting to use our bright lights.
Yeah, it was
which is
like pitch
crazy.
black. I'm ready for bed, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I think, I say this often, but I think tomorrow we should be up like 6:30 getting ready to leave, and I think we'll hit breakfast somewhere after the fact.
So we might call it an early night and an early morning.
Yeah.
and head to the Outer Banks. Boogity, 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 boogity. We are starting our day earlier than normal and in a mess that is not normal. We are in desperate need of doing some laundry. So before heading to the Outer Banks, we found a 24-hour laundromat. And I know a lot of you wonder, if we don't have a washing machine in the van, how do we do laundry well? Laundromats are our best friends. So let's get some laundry done and head to the Outer Banks.
We have finished laundry. We have gotten ready, believe it or not, with my beautiful mane here. And now we're heading to where we're gonna be staying in the Outer Banks. Fingers crossed we see crocodiles, sharks, Tyrannosaurus Rex, and some wild horses.